information. You remember that last pandemic, I unboxed a Samsonite. And do you know why Samsonite is very expensive? So I'm gonna tell you about it. Last time, my sister-in-law asked me that her broken luggage was broken and I needed to bring it here in Samsonite. Do you know that Samsonite it is expensive because it covers 10-year warranty, and if you have a luggage it's broken, the zipper is broken, or the wheels is broken, you can bring to Samsonite. I don't know if it includes all over the country, but here in United States you can bring it in Samsonite. But it should be the serial number of the Samsonite luggage. It should be covered within 10 years. So you can bring your Samsonite luggage there. So as fortunately, I brought the luggage of my sister-in-law and it was covered and it will not be fixed. So it's really broken. The zipper was broken, the wheel. So unfortunately, they cannot fix it, and they sent us luggage, and they sent us first the email which luggage do we like. So we choose this one, and we're gonna unbox this Samsonite luggage, the replacement of the broken Samsonite. So let's unbox this, guys. We're gonna unbox this Samsonite. This is it, guys. This is the Samsonite. This is hang your bag on the easy hook. So, oh my god. You can see the instruction here, Tesla lock instruction here, and the Spin Tech 5. So this is Samsonite, and these are the instructions. And here you go, the Tesla lock instruction. Right now they changed it. Before it's in the side, now it's in the top. You can hang your bag the easy hook, and we'll get crystal purple, and the size of this one is around 27.9, including the wheels. And this is the medium size of the luggage of the Spin Tech 5. So if you're gonna see, this is the model number last 2021. This Samsung. So you can see the lock is on top of the luggage, and here you go. It's like a dark purple, like that. And this is the new look of Samsonite. If you can see, there's the zipper. And this is the handle. It's lightweight. These are the wheels. So it's brand new. And if you can see, it had a rubber here. So if you're gonna put your luggage there, it can stand, and this is the handle as well. And look at the wheels. Now open this one. First, get a ball pen. So to open this luggage, you have to have a pen. So we're gonna open it. You're gonna push. If you're gonna see, there's a hole here, you press this one like that and push it. So it will be open. So let's open the luggage, the new luggage from Samsonite. So you can see here the inside of the Samsonite. This is the inside of the Samsonite. And if you're gonna see, there's the product details of this luggage. This is the zipper as well, and there's a zipper inside. And you can put your stuff here. You can zipper. There you go. You can zipper there. And this is. And you can see the register today to protect your investment. Register in a easy steps. Take a photo of the icon and send it. Smartphone or online. Need help. So you can protect your Samsonite. If your Samsonite get lost or what happened, you can protect Samsonite as well. You can protect your luggage. So register, don't forget to register. And this, you're gonna see in the luggage, there's a tag here and you can see the number of the luggage, the control number of the product. You can see it here. So and you can hook it like this and close all of it. And you will close. When you close it, like this. And this color is crystal purple. The color of this is crystal purple and the size of this is medium. If you're gonna lock the item, you have to put the zipper here, place it there, and put it here. You have to put it there. There. It's locked. You have to put it there. And it's locked. So easy, guys. And the total weight of this product is 8.5. One thing that I like with this hard shell Samsonite, when you go to the cold country or you store it, it's easy to wipe and scratch proof, and it's 8.5, and it's nice when you go to the cold places like you're going to the snow. This is really nice. If your luggage get wet, you just only wipe it. That's what I like in a hard shell in Samsonite, and it's easy to store and it lasts for a long time. So hope this product will help you and educate you as well. Why is Samsonite is expensive? I press this button, put them there. It's locked already. And it's really nice. It's smooth when you push it and back, push it and back, and you can hang your things here. And don't forget, if your things is broken don't feel bad or whatever if someone's broken in your life or things or everything. Always remember, opportunity knocks and new happens. New things happen in a good purpose. So don't forget to like and subscribe and learn some new things about some ideas how to unlock or unbox an item here at Unboxing Sensation. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and as well hope to have a nice day to everyone. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you for watching video. Please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.